Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. If you're a new visitor, welcome, and I hope that you subscribe. Today's episode is a very short episode because I want to show you the easy flower arrangement that I made with a back to school theme. For this flower arrangement, you will need pencils, ribbon, a cylinder vase, and flowers. I used the glue gun to glue all the pencils on the cylinder vase. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you subscribe so you will not miss the videos for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you then.